lunch na naman tayo. Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Tortang corn beef. Ayan. Tapos, gagawa tayo ng sausawan na lemon. Lemon with soy sauce. So, yan guys. Ulam for today. Thanks guys. Bye. So, ito na nga guys ang aking sausawan na suka with lemon juice. So ayan, kain na tayo guys. Yummy.